First of all, let's agree on this fact. Features of any soil are related to features of ecosystem where it exists. I mean, if any change happens to soil that may affect the whole ecosystem, this impact may be on plants and animals living in this environment. So, can we avoid these bad effects from which the world suffers because of climate change or soil loss? What causes soil loss? To determine the reasons beyond soil loss and solutions that may help us save the soil, we are going to watch the next video. Let's go!
When you think about the Earth, you might picture the boundaries that make up nations and states. But the natural world is actually a collection of bioregions. Large or small, bioregions support the plants, animals, and people who live in them. They are defined not by people, but by physical and environmental features, including watershed boundaries, terrain characteristics, and soil. Soil is the Earth's delicate skin that is comprised of countless species, and it varies widely from place to place. Without healthy topsoil, it is more difficult to grow food. Yet poor agricultural practices can deplete the soil. Nearly half of the topsoil on the planet has been lost in the last 150 years due to the conversion of forests to cities, towns, farms, and pastures, as well as overuse of pesticides, chemical fertilizers, and other pollutants. Soil erosion, soil that is blown or washed away, often ends up as sedimentation, clogging rivers and streams, affecting fish and other species in a bioregion. Land that suffers extreme deforestation, drought, interference with water systems, or overgrazing can become infertile, a process called desertification. Today, the world's deserts are growing too quickly. Up to 38% of the world's land is composed of arid regions that are vulnerable to desertification. Irresponsible mining and oil and gas exploration have also impacted land and climate. Resource extraction practices such as fracking, mountaintop blasting, and pipeline construction alter natural areas, sometimes permanently. And acid rain, caused mainly by burning fossil fuels to power vehicles, manufacturing, and industry, is harmful to people, forests, lakes, and soil. Healthy soil is a top priority for a healthy bioregion. Thankfully, there are restorative practices, and dedicated farmers, soil scientists, and concerned citizens helping to maintain our fragile soil, the source of Earth's biodiversity. Nutrients that have been depleted can be added back into the soil using crop residue like straw and stems, or natural fertilizers like manure. Planting diverse crops and rotating them can also help. We can also improve the way we manage water in our bioregion, working closely with nature's natural patterns and protecting forest and vegetation in at-risk areas. We must learn to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. It is possible to restore land and soil around the world if we all work together.
After watching the video, we need first to define the soil. What is soil? Soil is Earth's delicate loose skin that is comprised of countless species, and it varies widely from a place to another. Now I think you are able to determine some reasons for soil change. One of these reasons is the conversion of arable land to cities and factories, as well as overuse of pesticides, chemical fertilizers, and other pollutants that affect the soil. In addition, deforestation and overgrazing cause something called certification. This means turning arable land to an arid area, which is desert. And today, deserts are growing too quickly. About 38% of lands in the world are desert.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.